Your credit score affects more than you think. Loans, apartments, even job applications sometimes. The good news, you can improve it. In this video, I'll walk you through how to improve your credit score step by step in a simple and practical way. First, check your credit report. You need to see what lenders see. Look for errors, outdated information, or accounts that don't belong to you. Mistakes can hurt your score, and fixing them can give you a quick boost. Payment history is one of the biggest factors in your credit score. Even one late payment can cause damage. Set reminders or automatic payments so you never miss a due date. Credit utilization means how much of your available credit you're using. Try to keep it below 30%. If possible, aim even lower. Paying down balances can quickly improve your score. Length of credit history matters. Keeping older accounts open, and especially ones in good standing, can help your score. Closing them may shorten your credit history and reduce your available credit. Every time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry appears on your report. Too many inquiries in a short time can lower your score. Apply only when necessary. Improving your score isn't just about paying off debt. It's about using credit responsibly over time. Make small purchases, pay them off in full, and show consistent, responsible behavior. Credit improvement takes time. Monitor your score monthly and track progress. Small improvements add up over time. Consistency is key. Improving your credit score isn't complicated, but it does require discipline. Pay on time, reduce balances, avoid unnecessary applications, and stay consistent. Start today and let time work in your favor.